guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide I will show you how to fix dead space, gamepad or controller not working problem. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC, and after your PC restarts, launch the game and check if gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller, and after that you have to go to the search option. After that, search for a device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that check if gamepad is working or not. If not, next come back again, now select disable Steam input and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, select default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, select the game on library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to press alt plus enter keys. So many experts suggest to press alt plus enter keys, as this is one of the best way to resolve the issue you are coming across. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working or not. Some other tips to follow: clear cache on Steam. So for that, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on downloads. After that, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. So this will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. So you will need to log into Steam, confirm it, and after that log into Steam once again, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next, if you are using wired plug, then unplug it and replug it, and after that launch the game and check if gamepad is working or not. Next is to use big picture mode. So after going to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here in the above section you can see big picture mode. Simply click on it. After entering big picture mode, try to play the game and again exit big picture mode, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.